So what's up, you lovely bunch? I thought it was about time I gave you a closer look at Sally. Just look at this Mini. Kingfisher Blue 1995 Rover Mini Sidewalk. They only made 1,000 of these and there's only 192 left on the road today. This example has just been fully restored and she presents as new. There's a few little choice upgrades which just improve her ever so slightly and make it the perfect daily or the perfect classic car. Have a look at her. As already mentioned, Kingfisher Blue with a centre exit exhaust. Sounds obviously absolutely wild. Complete red carpet matching boot kit. Pay special attention to that sticker. Just look at this Mini. She is complete and utter perfection. As already mentioned, she's been fully restored. She's had her gearbox rebuilt by the only man in the business, which is Mr. John Guest. The interior is absolute perfection. Just look at this. Pop you in the back. The last owner has spent a small fortune having a matching cushion made. Obviously the original red seat belts. Have a little listen to her. She sounds absolutely stunning. Have a look at the floors on this car. As already mentioned, she is Concours condition. These door cards, excuse me crunching away in the leaves. These door cards and the interior are just wonderful. Again, 2 seconds while I just do this with one hand. Just look at this engine. She's been converted from a single point injection to a HIF 44 carburetor. And as already mentioned, you can see the engine is absolutely mint. That's a really cool touch. This costs £250. Everything on this car is new or be completely refurbished. It is just stunning. Look at even down to the little details on the AA badge. Being painted to match. I'll just make sure I don't get run over before I walk out into the road. So referring to the slight upgrades, obviously it's got 12 by 5 or 6 inch Supalight anthracite alloys with brand new tyres on. You'll spot the little Lego theme, also the red painted calipers, which also match the rear, the Lego and the rear painted calipers. This car is as good underneath as you can see as she is on top. This car is definitely a Concours winning Mini. It's just perfect. The person who owned it before spent a small fortune, owned her for about 8 years, and basically has been all over the place with her. And when she started to get a bit tatty, she decided it was time to put her back to probably better than new actually. But yeah, massively undersold this car. So it's a guaranteed draw on Sunday, which is Sunday the 13th of November at 8 PM. She's competition number 49, so we've given away 48 other classic Minis. This one is definitely up there with the best we've ever done. Body wise, it's probably the best. Just look at it. Kingfisher Blue, super rare colour, like I already mentioned. Only 1,000 ever made of these. 192 left on the road registered, making it extremely collectible. Colour obviously sells this car. The paint job is just perfect. Look at it. And yeah, the interior is just wonderful. And as I already showed you on the driver's side, look at these floors. This car is total and utter perfection. So head over to www.ukminis.co.uk and obviously get in the mix. Tickets for this are currently £12.49. As always, super low odds, 1,995 tickets available. I think about 45% sold. So yeah, massive odds. So head over to www.ukminis.co.uk to get in the mix. Good luck everyone.